Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast. I'm your host, Sarah.
And I'm Max. Hi, everyone.
Today, we have a really exciting topic. We're going to talk about speaking English with emotion.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What does that mean exactly?
Great question, Max. Speaking with emotion means using your voice to show your feelings. It's not just about the words you say, it's about how you say them.
Ah, I see. So it's about the tone of my voice?
Exactly. Your tone, your energy, your feelings. When you speak with emotion, people understand you better, and you sound more natural, more confident.
That makes sense. Sometimes I speak English, but I sound flat, like a robot.
Haha. Yes, many learners have this problem. They know the words, they know the grammar, but they speak without feeling. And that's okay. We can learn this.
Really? We can learn to sound more emotional?
Absolutely. That's what we're doing today. We're going to practice together.
I'm excited. Where do we start?
Let's start with a simple example. Listen to this sentence. I like coffee. Now I can say it two ways. First way, I like coffee.
Okay, that sounds normal. A bit flat.
Right. Now listen again. I love coffee.
Oh, wow. That sounds so different. You sound really happy and excited.
Yes. Did you hear the difference? The first one was boring. The second one had emotion, had energy.
I definitely heard it. Your voice went up and you said love really strong.
Perfect. You're already learning. So emotion in speaking is about energy. It's about showing what you feel inside.
But Sarah, why is this important? Can't people just understand my words?
Good question. Yes, people can understand your words, but emotion makes everything better. Let me explain why.
Okay, I'm listening.
First reason, emotion makes you interesting. When you speak with feeling, people want to listen to you. They don't get bored.
That's true. I like listening to people who sound excited or happy.
Exactly. Second reason, emotion helps communication. Sometimes the same words can mean different things. The emotion tells people what you really mean.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, listen to this word. Great. I can say it happy. That's great.
You sound really happy.
Now listen to this. That's great.
Oh, that sounded not happy. Maybe angry or sarcastic?
Exactly. Same word but different emotion. Different meaning.
Wow, that's so important. I never thought about that.
And here's the third reason. Speaking with emotion makes you feel more confident. When you use emotion, you feel the language. It becomes more real for you.
I like that. So it helps me, not just other people.
Yes, language is about feeling, not just thinking. When you feel the words, you remember them better too.
This is amazing. Okay, so how do I start? What emotions should I practice?
Let's start with the basic emotions. We'll practice 6 emotions today. Happy, sad, excited, surprised, angry, and worried.
6 emotions. That's a lot.
Don't worry, we'll do them one by one. And we'll practice together. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Great. Let's start with happy. Happy is one of the easiest emotions. When you're happy, your voice goes up. You smile. You have energy.
Okay. So I should smile when I speak?
Yes, even when you're alone, smile. It changes your voice. Let me show you. Listen, I'm so happy today.
You sound wonderful. So bright and cheerful.
Thank you. Now you try, Max. Say, I'm so happy today.
I'm so happy today.
Good. But smile more. Make your voice higher and brighter.
I'm so happy today.
Yes, much better. I can hear the smile in your voice.
Haha, that's fun. I do feel happier.
See? That's the magic. Okay, listeners at home, now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Smile and say, I'm so happy today. Good job. Let's try another happy sentence. Repeat after me. This is wonderful. Excellent. One more. Big smile. Say, I feel great. Perfect. You're all doing so well.
That was fun. What's next?
Next is excited. Excited is similar to happy, but with more energy, more power.
Oh, like when you're really, really happy about something?
Exactly. When you're excited, you speak faster. Your voice is louder. You have a lot of energy. Listen, I can't wait for the weekend.
Wow. You sound like you're going to explode with happiness.
Ha ha! Yes, that's excitement. Now you try. Say, I can't wait for the weekend.
I can't wait for the weekend.
Good start, but give me more energy. Speak faster, louder.
I can't wait for the weekend.
Yes, that's it. I can feel your excitement.
That's so cool. I really do feel excited now.
That's the power of emotion. Okay, listeners, your turn. Say with excitement, I can't wait for the weekend. Awesome. Now try this one. This is so exciting. Great. One more. Really loud and fast. I love this. Fantastic. You're all naturals.
Sarah, this is really fun. What's the next emotion?
Now let's try something different. Let's try sad. Sad is the opposite of happy.
Oh, this might be harder. I don't like being sad.
I know, but sometimes we need to express sad feelings too. When you're sad, your voice goes down. You speak slower, quieter.
So it's low and slow.
Yes, exactly. Listen to this. I miss my family.
Oh, Sarah, you sound really sad. That was very different.
Thank you. It's important to sound real. Now you try. Say, I miss my family.
I miss my family.
Good. But slower, lower voice. Like you're really feeling it.
I miss my family.
Sarah, perfect. I can hear the sadness. Well done, Max.
It's strange. When I say it like that, I actually feel a little sad.
Yes, that's because emotion and voice are connected. Okay, listeners, let's practice. Say slowly and sadly, I miss my family. Good. Now try, I feel sad today. Nice. One more. That makes me sad. Excellent work. I know sad isn't fun, but it's important to practice.
I agree. Okay, what's next?
Let's do surprised. This is a fun one. When you're surprised, your voice goes really high at the end, and you usually speak quickly.
Oh, like when something unexpected happens?
Exactly. Listen, really? I had no idea.
Ha ha ha. You sounded shocked.
That's right. Surprise and shock are similar. Now you try. Really? I had no idea.
Really? I had no idea.
Good. But make your voice go higher at the end. Really shocked.
Really? I had no idea.
Perfect. That was genuinely surprising. Great job, Max.
Thank you. This one is really fun.
Listeners, time to practice. Say with surprise. Really? I had no idea. Great. Now try. What? Are you serious? Excellent. One more. Very surprised. Oh my goodness, wonderful. You all sound so natural.
Sarah, I'm really enjoying this. What else do we have?
We have two more emotions. Let's try angry. Now, I want to be careful here. We're not trying to be mean or rude, but sometimes we need to sound firm or strong.
I understand. So, how does angry sound?
When you're angry, your voice is strong and loud. You speak clearly. Each word is separate. Listen, I'm not happy about this.
Whoa! You sound serious.
Yes, strong and firm. Now you try. I'm not happy about this.
I'm not happy about this.
Good. Make it stronger, more power.
I'm not happy about this.
Perfect. You sound very firm. Well done.
That felt powerful. I like it.
Yes. Sometimes we need to be strong in English. Okay, listeners, your turn. Say firmly, I'm not happy about this. Good. Now try. This is not okay. Strong. One more. I don't like this. Excellent. Remember, firm and strong, but not rude.
Great practice. What's our last emotion?
Last one is worried. Worried is when you're nervous or concerned about something.
How does worried sound?
When you're worried, your voice is a bit high. You speak a bit fast. You sound uncertain. I'm not sure about this. What if something goes wrong?
Oh, you sound nervous, like you're thinking too much.
Exactly, that's worry. Now you try. I'm not sure about this.
I'm not sure about this.
Good, but sound more uncertain, more nervous.
I'm not sure about this.
Perfect, I can hear the worry. Great job, Max.
Thank you. These are all so different.
They are. And that's beautiful. Okay, listeners, let's practice worried. Say, I'm not sure about this. Good. Now, what if it doesn't work? Nice. Last one. I'm a bit worried. Excellent. You're all doing amazing.
Sarah, we practiced 6 emotions. That was a lot.
It was. And you did great. Let's review them quickly. Can you give me one word with each emotion?
Okay, let me try. Happy, wonderful. Excited, amazing. Sad, unfortunately. Surprised, really, angry. No, worried, maybe.
That was perfect, Max. I heard every emotion clearly.
Thank you. I feel so much more confident now.
That's wonderful. Now, listeners, I want to give you some important tips for practicing emotion in English.
Oh, good. I want to hear these tips too.
Tip number 1. Practice in front of a mirror. Watch your face. See your expressions. This helps a lot.
That's smart. So I can see if I'm smiling or frowning.
Exactly. Tip number 2. Record yourself. Listen to your voice. Do you sound emotional or flat?
I like that tip. Sometimes we can't hear ourselves clearly.
Right. Tip number 3. Watch English movies or videos. Listen to how native speakers use emotion. Copy them.
That's fun. Learning from movies.
Yes, it's fun and useful. Tip number 4. Don't be shy. Use big emotions when you practice. Better to be too much than too little.
Max. Really? I should exaggerate?
Yes, when you practice alone, be dramatic, go crazy. This helps you feel comfortable with emotion.
I love that. I'll try it.
And tip number 5. Remember, emotion is natural. Every language uses emotion. So don't think too much. Just feel.
Just feel. I like that.
Exactly. Language comes from the heart, not just the brain.
Sarah, this has been such a great lesson. I learned so much.
I'm so happy to hear that, Max. Now let's do a final practice together. I'll say a sentence with no emotion, and you repeat it with emotion. Okay?
Okay, I'm ready.
First sentence, make it happy. Today is a good day.
Today's a good day.
Excellent. Next one, make it excited. I got the job.
I got the job. Yes.
Perfect. Now make it sad. I can't come to the party.
I can't come to the party. I'm sorry.
Beautiful. Now surprised. You're here.
You're here? Oh my goodness.
Wonderful. Now firm and strong. Please stop.
Please stop now.
Great. Last one. Worried. I hope I'm not late.
I hope I'm not late. Am I late?
Perfect. Max, you're a natural. Every single emotion was clear.
Thank you, Sarah. I feel like a different person.
You should feel proud. Listeners, I hope you practiced along with Max.
Yes. I hope everyone tried all the emotions.
Remember, speaking with emotion takes practice. Don't worry if it feels strange at first. That's normal.
Absolutely. I felt weird at the beginning, but now it feels good.
Exactly. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. And soon, you won't even think about it. It will just happen.
That's the goal, to speak naturally with feeling.
Yes. And here's something important. Emotion makes English fun. When you use emotion, you're not just learning words, you're living the language.
I love that. Living the language.
So my challenge for you listeners is this. Today, speak English with emotion. It doesn't matter if you're talking to someone or just practicing alone. Use your voice. Show your feelings.
Great challenge. Even if you're just ordering coffee, make it emotional.
Ha ha! Yes. Say, I'd love a coffee, please. Not just coffee, please.
Exactly. Put your heart into it.
And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to feel silly. That's part of learning.
The important thing is to try, to practice.
Absolutely. You know what, Max? I think our listeners are ready to speak English with confidence and emotion.
I think so too. They've practiced 6 different emotions with us today.
They have. And I'm so proud of everyone who practiced along.
Me too. You're all amazing.
So before we finish today, let me ask you, Max, what's your favorite emotion to speak with?
Oh, that's a hard question. I think excited. I love speaking with excitement.
That's great. Excitement is contagious. When you're excited, other people feel excited too.
Exactly. What about you, Sarah?
I love speaking with happiness. A happy voice makes everyone smile.
That's so true. Your happy voice always makes me feel good.
Ah, thank you, Max. See, listeners, this is the power of emotion. It connects people.
It really does. When we speak with feeling, we connect heart to heart, not just word to word.
Beautifully said, Max. That's exactly right.
So, listeners, please practice this week. Use emotion every day.
Yes. Try one new emotion each day. Today, be happy. Tomorrow, be excited. The next day, try surprised.
And remember, you're not just learning English, you're expressing yourself.
Perfect. Okay, everyone, that's all for today's episode. Thank you so much for listening to English with Confidence.
Thank you. And remember, speak with emotion, speak with confidence.
Speak with your heart.
See you next time, everyone.
Goodbye, and keep practicing.
Bye bye. You're all doing great.
We believe in you. Until next time,
Happy learning.
take care, everyone.